What if your hunger was not a problem to fix, but a teacher to follow? Imagine if every craving, every pang, every "I am hungry again" moment was your body trying to tell you something real. Art of Hunger by Dr. Atef Ahmed transforms how you see appetite, not as a weakness, but as a powerful signal guiding you toward balance, energy, and inner clarity. This is not another diet book. It is a revolution in how we listen to our bodies. Why this book changes everything in a world where ultra-processed food, fractured sleep, and endless screens distort our natural rhythms, always hungry, has become the new normal. Art of Hunger cuts through that noise, blending modern biology with ancient wisdom to reconnect you with your body's original intelligence. Inside, Dr. Ahmed breaks down the science of appetite, ghrelin, leptin, GLP-1, and circadian rhythms in language anyone can understand. Then he helps you rebuild your relationship with food through mindful rituals, cross-cultural fasting practices, and sensory-based exercises that are as soulful as they are scientifically sound. What you will discover inside all of the out-practical, step-by-step programs, 7-day awareness reset. Start tuning into your body's real hunger cues, 14-day listening boot camp. Retrain your instincts with mindful, joyful eating, 21-day craving mastery. Break the cycle of emotional and biological cravings. Safe, guided fasting protocols for every level, beginner, advanced. Science that serves you. Simple. Tools like the hunger scale, 2-minute listening rituals, and circadian meal maps make your transformation effortless. Inclusive, safe, and sustainable. Built with care for all, including those managing medical conditions, pregnancy, medications, or past eating disorders. A.K. Cultural depth. Learn how fasting, feasting, and mindful eating are celebrated across traditions, and how they can heal modern disconnection. Who this book is for: busy professionals and parents who have lost touch with their natural hunger signals, wellness seekers, nutrition coaches, and clinicians who want a human-centered approach. Anyone ready to stop fighting their body and start listening to it? The moment to begin is now. Readable, evidence-based, emotionally honest. Art of Hunger is made for book talk, podcasts, wellness newsletters, and workplace well-being programs. It is not just a book. It is a conversation starter. What if hunger were your teacher? Join the movement that is changing how the world eats, listens, and lives. Stereo, order now and get 50% off, limited time only. Get your copy from Amazon, Books.com, or Dr. Atef. Net before prices rise again. Learn to listen. Reclaim your clarity. Your body already knows the way.